Good morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. Today we are going to see about second chapter measurement la rhombus பார்க்கலாம். Rhombus வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா this shape is also a rhombus and this shape is also a rhombus. It's having the base and the height. This diagram having the base and height and this diagram having the two diagonals. This is a D1 and this is a D2. They are two diagonals and the formula is area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. And then small introduction of rhombus. In a rhombus all sides are equal. All sides are equal in rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means the same சொல்லிருக்கேன் இல்லையா? Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals divide the rhombus into four right angle triangle of equal area. So this is a rhombus. So இந்த மாதிரி ஈக்குவலாக வந்து D1 and D2 வந்து டிவைட் ஆகுது. This is a four triangles இதில் வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So this is also a rhombus. Four right angle triangles are of equal area. Okay, next the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So இந்த ஒரு diagonalsமே bisect each other in the right angle அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் அந்த ஃபார்முலா பார்த்துட்டோம். ஃபார்முலா என்ன 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. So next வந்து exercise 2.2ல first sum பார்க்கலாம். The first sum is find the area of rhombus PQRS shown in the following figure. So figure கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. This is also a rhombus. Okay, அதில் first separation. First question first separation. Find the area of the rhombus PQ and PQRS shown in the following figures PQR and S. And this is a D. இதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா D1 சொல்லுவோம். And இது நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? This is 16 cm. This is a D2. This is D1 and this is D2. So then formula போட்டுக்கலாம். So area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 value is what is 8 and D2 value is D1 is equal to, so already அங்கே எழுதிருக்கு, நம்ம givenல நம்ம எழுதணும். So given is equal to D1 is equal to 8 cm and D2 is equal to 16 cm. Then find the area of the rhombus. So we have to substitute in this formula 1 by 2 into 8. 8 means D1 into D2 square unit. This is the formula. Then 1 by 2 into D1 is 8 and D2 is 16. We have to cancel it. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then 4 into 16 is nothing but this is 84 square centimeter. We write 84 square centimeter or 64 square centimeter or 64 centimeter square. We have to write any one. Then the second sum is find the area of the rhombus whose base is 14 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. ஸோ நம்ம பார்க்கும்போதே தெரியும். ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ராம்பஸில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே பேஸ் இருக்க ஹைட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம இதில் டயக்னல்ஸ் அந்த ராம்பஸில் இந்த மாதிரி டயக்னல்ஸ் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் D1 D2ன்னு நம்ம எடுக்கணும். ஸோ அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்கிறது இந்த டயக்ராமுக்கு பொருந்தும். ஸோ ஃபைண்ட் தி ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி ராம்பஸ், பேஸும் ஹைட்டும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ பேஸும் ஹைட்டும் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க ஷேப்லேருந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் ராம்பஸ், so base height is there, so you have to write this formula B into H square unit. So base is 14 and H is height is 9. 14 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 3 12. So 126. 126 centimeter square. The next sum is fourth sum. The area of a rhombus is 100 square centimeter and the length of a one of its diagonals is 8 centimeter. The length of a one of its diagonals means D1. D1 is 8 centimeter and find the length of the other diagonals. Other diagonal means is nothing but this is D2. So you have to find it D2. Other diagonals means D2. First given area of the rhombus. So what is the area value? 100 square centimeter. Next, this is D1. Length of the one of its diagonals is D1. D1 is equal to 8 centimeter. And we have to find it. The length of the other diagonals means D2. D2 is we have to find. First, we have to write. We write the formula for this this question. Area of a rhombus. What is the formula for area of the rhombus? 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. Okay, so area of the rhombus, the value is there 100 centimeter square. We write 100 is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 value is 8 into D2. So then we have to cancel it. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Then 100 is equal to 4 into D2. 4 into D2, we have to rearrange the next step. 4 D2, we write 4 D2 is equal to 4 into D2 is equal to 100. Okay, va? My number same then 4 into D2 is equal to 100. Then D2 is equal to 100. So multiplications like 4 equal தாண்டி போயிடுச்சுனா divide ல மாறிடும். It becomes divide by 4. So you have to cancel it. 4 ones are 4 twos are then 4 என்ன வரும் 4 5. So 5 எங்க வரும் then so cancel பண்ணா 4 5 times. For 5s are 25. So D2 is equal to 25. Next, let's move to the exercise 2.3 trapezium. This is the shape for trapezium A, B and C and D. You have to denote. This is the height. Height is denoted by H. This is the base and this is B and A. Okay, this is A and this is B. And the formula for the trapezium, area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into H into open bracket A plus B close bracket square units. The formula is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. So இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம சொல்லலாம் 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units. Next is isosceles trapezium. This is a isosceles trapezium shape. Okay, if non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal. If non-parallel, so this is AB and CD is non-parallel. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is a isosceles trapezium. Then it is a isosceles trapezium. Next, let's move to the exercise 2.3. The first sum, find the missing values. Let's first operation is the height is H 10 meter and parallel side A is 12 meter and another parallel side B is 20 meter. Find the area. What is the area of trapezium formula? So trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units. Okay, then is equal to, we have to substitute it 1 by 2 into H. H is 10 meter. 10 into open bracket into potala pola navana. So open bracket A value is 12 plus B value is 20. First priority is bracket side. So we have to add it. 12 plus 20 is 32 into 32. Then we have to cancel it. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Then product with 5 into 32 is equal to, multiply this 32 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. So the value is 160 square centimeter. Sorry, meter. 160 square meter. Next sum is third sum. The question is the area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of parallel side is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. Okay, I repeat the question. The area of the trapezium is 1586. Okay, this is the area of the trapezium value 1586 square centimeter. The distance between it the parallel side is 26 centimeter. Distance between means is nothing but this is the height. So height is equal to 26 centimeter and one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter. One of the parallel side means A. A value is 84 centimeter, and then they find the other side. So we have to find the other side means B. So we have to find the B. This is the formula for trapezium, 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. First given. So area is given. So area is equal to 1586 and height. So what is the value of a height? H is equal to, this is the height. If distance between means a height, the parallel side is 26 centimeter. And then the A value is 84 centimeter. And then find the value of B. Okay, we have to find the value of B. Okay. First, the area of a trapezium. So what is the value for area of a trapezium is 1586. So we have to substitute this formula, this all values. 1586 is equal to 1 by 2 into H. H is 26 centimeter, open bracket, A value is 84. 84 plus, we have to find it B value, you don't know this value. So we have to write only B. Okay, then 1586 is equal to 1 by 2 into 26 is there. So we have to cancel it. 26, 84. First pair, so 84 plus B. You have to cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 13s are 26. Then 1586 is equal to 13 into 84 plus B. Okay, 13 into 84 plus B. First we have to rearrange this. Okay, so 84 plus B. So bracket வெளியில இருந்தாலே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இந்த 13 வந்து multiplication of 13 into 13 இப்படி கூட இருக்கலாம் into 13 is equal to 1586. So 84 plus B is equal to 1586 divided by 13. So then 84 plus B is equal to 1586 divided by 13. In 13 tables, 13 ones are 13, balance 2 is there. So this is 28 items. So 13 tables, 13 2s are 26, balance 2, 13 2s are, so this cancel items, 13 2s are 26. This cancel item. Then 84 plus B is equal to 122. B is equal to 122. The plus are 84 equal to it becomes subtract minus 84. So B value is 122 minus 84. So it's subtracted. So 2 becomes 1. This 1, 12 minus 4 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. So the value is 38. So B is equal to 38 centimeter. 38 centimeter. Then the sixth sum, the question is, the sunshade of a windows is in the form of isosceles trapezium whose parallel, so in the shape la irukka isosceles trapezium shapes la sunshade of a windows is the form pannirukanga. Use the parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter. 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter are parallel sides, and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Distance between means already know about another height. Height is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the cost of a painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per centimeter square. So per centimeter square ke evlo sollirukanga 2 nu sollirukanga. So find the cost of painting surface at the adoda area நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Surface at the rate and the 2 per square centimeter means ஒரு perக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா 2 rupees னு அப்படி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? Okay. So next the given values is A is equal to 81 and B is equal to 64 and C is and H is equal to 6 centimeter. A வந்து நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம் 2 parallel கொடுத்திருந்தானா this one is 1 parallel is A is equal to 81, B is equal to 64 and height means distance between சொல்லிருந்தோம். So first நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், height is equal to 6 centimeter. First என்ன பண்ணனும்னா sunshade of a windows isosceles trapeziumல இருக்கு. So அதோட ஏரியா நம்ம first கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். First நம்ம ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னா formula is area of a trapezium formula is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square unit is equal to, we have to substitute it, 1 by 2 into height value is 6, a value is 81, b value is 64 1 by 2 into 6 into, so bracket, so 81 plus 64 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 145, 14, so the value is 145. Where to cancel it, 2 ones are 2 3s are, then 145 into 3, where to multiply, so what is the value of 142, 145, then 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3 4s are 12, sorry, multiplications of 145 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 30, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, so the value is 435 square centimeter. So cost of the painting 1 square centimeter is equal to per க்கு நம்ம 2 rupees வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தி பெயிண்டிங், அந்த பெயிண்டிங்க்கு 435 ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டர் இருக்கிறதுனால அது வந்து 435 ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டரில் இருக்குது. per ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டருக்கு, ஐ மீன் 1 ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டருக்கு 2 rupeesனா அப்போது ஓகே, அப்போது 435 ஸ்கொயர் சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு நம்ம எவ்வளோ வேல்யூஸ் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். ஸோ அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்னா 435 இன்ட்டு மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் 2. we have to multiplication of 2 in 2 tables, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 4s are 8, so 870. So 870 square centimeter. This is the cost of the 435 square centimeter ku 870 square centimeter. So rupees 870 square nu நம்ம போட்டுக்கும். ஓகேவா? So the value is 870. Okay students, today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.